news, Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez was questioned as a witness today in connection with a 200 crore money laundering case. It seems she was a victim of the same racket, according to sources in the Enforcement Directorate. The 36-year-old actor was lured by Sukesh Chandrasekhar, the alleged mastermind of the racket, through his partner, Leena Paul. She's not an accused but being examined as a witness in the case against conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. The sources added Ms. Fernandez had shared crucial details in her statement recorded over 5 hours. Arvind joining us at this point with the latest on that. Arvind, give us the broader context of this fraud and indeed what this questioning has yielded.
Ankita, the Enforcement Directorate, taking cognizance of the Delhi Police FIR, is probing an extortion and also a cheating racket headed by Sukesh Chandrasekhar, the conman. Sukesh Chandrasekhar has almost 23 cheating and impersonation cases across the country. Recently, based on the complaint from the wives of businessman, the Singh brothers, both Shivendra Singh and also the Malvinder Singh, the Delhi Police Economic Offence Wing of the Delhi Police has registered an FIR against Sukesh Chandrasekhar and others for duping the family members of Shivendra and Malvinder Singh of over 40 crore. So in that particular case, the Enforcement Directorate initiated a money laundering probe, and the Enforcement Directorate conducted searches at the premises of Sukesh Chandrasekhar and also his partner in crime, Leena Maria Paul, in Chennai. This particular searches yielded a seizure of a lavish bungalow facing a sea in the outskirts of Chennai, and also 16 high-end cars and also many other valuable items from the residence of these two, the con couple. But what the Enforcement Directorate officials are saying is that after the searches, they took Leena Maria Paul for questioning, and Leena Maria Paul is in the net of the Enforcement Directorate. They are questioning Leena Maria Paul on a day-to-day basis, whereas the Delhi Police has already arrested Sukesh Chandrasekhar, and they are probing, they are interrogating Sukesh Chandrasekhar for the modus operandi he uses to dupe people. On Leena Maria front, the Enforcement Directorate is mainly focusing on recovering the money that has been duped by this con couple, the notorious con couple. So in this particular investigation, the agency has got an evidence or some kind of information showing that Leena Maria Paul is a friend of Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez. So based on that particular information only, the Enforcement Directorate had summoned Jacqueline Fernandez yesterday for questioning. So in this particular examination, which went on for almost 5 to 6 hours, the Enforcement Directorate examined Jacqueline Fernandez, and also her statement was recorded. Our sources in the Enforcement Directorate have confirmed to us that Jacqueline Fernandez was brought face to face with Leena Maria Paul, and then both their statements were recorded. But our sources are again saying that Jacqueline Fernandez is not an accused in this particular matter. In fact, she is a witness. And according to the officials, Jacqueline Fernandez is also likely to be one of the victims of this particular con couple. But what is very important is that Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who is in jail since 2017, is continuing with this crime of impersonating and cheating people, all the several businessmen and also the politicians, impersonating himself to be a senior government functionary and duping them of several hundred crores. And that's where the Enforcement Directorate is tasked with recovering the dupe money, whereas the Delhi Police is tasked with building a strong case against Sukesh Chandrasekhar to secure a first conviction against him.
Right. Arvind, thank you for those details.